Good afternoon and a very, very warm welcome to our first Excellence Assembly of 2021. Not the way we all hope to start the year, but I'm sure you'll agree that we've got off to a flying start at Bethersden Primary School. This week we're going to introduce a couple of new awards. We've also got some excellence that's been going on outside of our school, which we're very, very pleased to celebrate. Without further ado, let's get on with our awards. This week we're going to start our awards in Bumblebee B class, as we always do with our youngest children. The first award for this week goes to Max, who has been working so hard and showing kindness towards others, always ensuring that he's listening, and he's been a superstar with taking turns and sharing whilst in school. We're so proud of how you've always included others at Max and how you help them to feel much better when they've hurt themselves. Keep up wonderful work and being an incredible friend. That comes from Mrs. Osborne and Mrs. Finn. Our second award for this week is for Skylar for her excellent remote learning. Skylar, you've been ready every day for your live sessions, and even though you sometimes get a little shy, you always join in and give the team your very best. Also, your work blows away the team every day as you do every piece of learning that's been set beautifully, and you always do the challenges and even set some of your own ones. So big well done from Mrs. Osborne and from Miss Finn. Moving to our class this week. Our first award of the week goes to Mia, who's been showing a positive and independent attitude to her learning this week. She's joined in with her reading, writing excellence lessons and has been positive, focused and thoroughly engaged. Mia, you've been trying so hard in all your areas of the curriculum. A big well done to you from Mrs. Green, Mrs. Moss, Mrs. Grace and Miss Hoogan. Second award of the week goes to Oliver H for demonstrating a positive and cheerful attitude towards all of his learning. Oliver, you always give of your best. Your writing in English has been extremely descriptive and a pleasure to read. Your information sheet in science was full of scientific language, and you also enjoyed your PE lessons with great enthusiasm. A big well done to you, Oliver. Keep it up, from Mrs. Green, Mrs. Moss, Mrs. Grace and Miss Hoogan. Moving to Dear Class now. First award of the week goes to Evan for showing enthusiasm and a positive attitude to our remote learning since the start of the new term. You have always joined in with the Google Meet sessions on time, and you've been keen to upload your learning whilst you're spending time making edits and corrections to your writing to ensure that your work is effective and accurate as possible. Evan, it's been a pleasure to see that you are so keen to tackle each task every single day. A big well done to you from Mr. Cook and Miss Simpson. Our second award of this week goes to Arlo for showing enthusiasm and a cheerful attitude to all the remote learning since the start of term. Arlo, you've joined in every Google Meet session on time and with a big smile on your face. In maths, you're taking the opportunity to seek advice and work through the problems with your support at home when you encounter something tricky, which has really helped you to learn and shows that you care about understanding each of the maths topics properly. A big well done to you from Mr. Cook and Miss Simpson. Moving into Otter class now. Our first award of the week goes to Riley for making it seem like we are still in the classroom learning and for being brave with the new technologies. Every day, Riley, you've logged on to all the live sessions and you haven't let the technology worry you. You've answered as many questions online as you would have done when you were in the classroom. Riley, you've concentrated and produced some excellent pieces of learning this week in a very tricky situation, so keep it up. Mrs. Solomon and Miss Mexter are very, very proud of you. Second award this week goes to Albert for taking to remote learning like a duck to water. Nothing seemed to faze you this week, Albert, and each day you've engaged carefully, thoughtfully, and you've produced some amazing learning. The remote learning is not easy and not for the faint-hearted, but you have made it look like a breeze. Well done, Albert, you're a superstar. That comes from Miss Mexter and Mrs. Solomon. Moving to Badge class now. Our award for the week goes to Rudy. The way in which you've adapted to home learning life, Rudy, has been great. You've arrived punctually for all the lessons and you've made valuable contributions to all of the class discussions, which isn't always easy via video. You've worked hard on your independent learning and have caught up on tasks to ensure everything is complete. Well done, Rudy. You should be very proud of how you've adapted. Keep it up, from Miss Bennett and Mrs. Smith. Our second award in Badge class goes to George M for his positive attitude, which has been shown while he's been approaching his learning at home recently. George, you participate in class discussions and you completed your learning to a very, very high standard, showing your determination to keep your learning going during this lockdown. A big welcome to you, George, from Miss Bennett and from Mrs. Smith. Moving to Fox class now. The award this week is presented to Phoebe for her outstanding perseverance and determination in the face of adversity. Having one of those rural internet connections, Phoebe, we know you have struggled at times, but you've achieved your best in all of your online learning. A big well done to you, Phoebe. You've set the standard now, so keep it up. That comes from Mr. Clark and Mrs. Taylor. Now we've had some birthdays to celebrate since the last time we did an assembly. Holly, Sam, Elijah, Oliver H and Everett, we hope you had lovely birthdays and we wish you very many happy returns, and we look forward to being able to wish you a happy birthday in person just as soon as we can. Now this week we are introducing a new category of awards in our Excellence Assemblies. This is for our lockdown legends. We know just how much commitment and dedication it takes to complete the home learning, not just from the children, but also from the families who are supporting them so well. And we want to acknowledge the support the parents are giving to the children and the way you are adapting your lives to make sure your children keep on learning at the best possible rate. Each week we're going to highlight families who have done something above and beyond, and those that have maybe found a new way of working, which has really impressed us. Our first lockdown legend is awarded to Teddy and his mum. You have both given 100% to your remote learning every single day, and Mum, you've been providing incredible support to Teddy throughout the week, and Teddy has been encouraging you to keep going as well. Mrs. Taylor has really noticed that during your live sessions with her, so we just want to say a big well done to Teddy and your mum. The second award for a lockdown legend this week is presented to the entire family of the Beals. You are managing a remote learning situation for 3 children to a very high level while still performing your critical worker roles, and we salute you for that. That award is presented from the teams in Owl, Otter and Fox class. Keep it up, we do appreciate it's not easy, and we thank you for the sacrifices you are making. Now I promised you some excellence from outside of school, and this goes back to just before the Christmas break, but unfortunately too late to make it into our last Excellence Assembly of 2020. But it is lovely to start 2021 with such an incredible award to present. Now Caleb in Badger class has been working very hard recently on his piano tutoring. Despite lockdown, he's continued with his lessons, and he has just been awarded a merit for his piano grade 1. It's really pleasing to see your certificate there, Caleb, with so many high scores in there. You worked really hard for that and you thoroughly deserve to be awarded that merit. Now luckily we have a bit of the presentation to share with you. Caleb's mum has sent in a video, and here we go. I hope you enjoy it. That was brilliant, Caleb. Well done to you. Music is something I've never managed to master, so your perseverance and your dedication to that is admired by myself and by many others, I am sure. I do hope, Caleb, that when we make it back into school, you'll treat us all to performers in one of our Excellence Assemblies in the future. Now, as we come to the end of our Excellence Award for the first 2 weeks back, I'd just like to thank you for checking your parent mails regularly. We have seen a huge increase in people reading the emails and responding to our forms. We will continue to communicate regularly with you via parent mail, as it's the most efficient way to get important messages out to you. So just encourage you to keep checking them. We don't send things just for the sake of things. Everything we send does have a purpose, and we thank you for your commitment to keeping in touch with us. And finally, as always, just a reminder of all the different ways you can keep in touch with us over this new lockdown. Our website is updated with all the new risk assessments and information about COVID response that the school is putting together. Class pages have been updated to have further information about remote learning, as well as the newsletters and some useful bits and pieces to get you on Google Classroom. We'll continue to update our Twitter feed as and when we get the chance, and our YouTube video channel will continue to celebrate our Excellence Awards. Please do remember, the best way to get in touch with us is families@bethersden.kent.sch.uk. That email address is monitored by 2 members of the leadership group, and your emails are treated in the strictest of confidence, so please do not worry about getting in touch. They're monitored throughout the school day and into the evenings and the weekends, so if you do have any emergencies, please do get in touch. The school office is also now manned, so please give us a call on 01233 820 479 if there's anything we can help you with. A big thank you for joining us today. We do hope you've enjoyed our first Excellence Award of 2021, and we look forward to celebrating many more highlights of the year with you over the coming weeks and months, either across our YouTube channel or more hopefully back in school just as soon as it is safe and possible to do so. Take care of yourselves this weekend, enjoy your walks, and we look forward to speaking to you very, very soon. Thanks then, bye bye.